When is it going to end? How do we stop the madness? Freedom, independence, control. Are we being poisoned? Hang in there, because I'm going to tell you why we can't end this and how we can and when. Shh, this is a download I received not too long ago, but I don't want it to be a secret anymore. The law of balance, the law of equality. Have you ever heard of it? So it's yin and yang, basically the law of yin and yang. The world is out of balance. We have more suppression, more lack of freedom, more control in other parts of the world that don't affect us, seemingly. So we cry out as Americans and Canadians in westernized countries such as Holland and England because we want our freedom. We don't want our 15-minute cities. We don't want our government taken over. We want to have control over our health care, and we want control over the choices of what we do with our money. But because we are the yin, and the yang part of this equation is lacking complete control, they have nothing. No one is standing up for them. No one knows that they're suffering. And I'm talking about child trafficking, female genital mutilation, child slavery, child and adult labor, mining that's dangerous, sweatshops, lack of clean water that's killing millions, immunizations and drugs that are being used to test on humans that apparently people don't care, orphans, third world country pregnant women. So until that side of the tracks is taken care of and there's awareness, and we on this side of the tracks start taking care of it, guess what? We get what we want too. It's a win-win. Get the picture?